Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix slow Android phone. Here's a step guide to fix a slow Android phone. First, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Press the Recent Apps button. Scroll like three-line icon, or if gestures, scroll upwards on the bottom of the screen and hold for a few seconds and close all running apps by tapping the trash icon. Restart your phone by holding the power button and tapping restart. Swipe down and turn off unused features like Bluetooth, Wi Fi, or GPS if not needed. Now open the Settings app, tap Storage or Device Maintenance or Storage. Tap Storage and delete junk files, cache, or unused data, or just tap Clean Up. Then Settings again, go to Apps or App Management. Tap All Apps or App List. Choose apps one by one, tap Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Uninstall apps you rarely use or games that consume too much space. Disable or uninstall bloatware apps, pre-installed apps you don't use. In Settings, go to System, Software, or check for updates, and make sure your phone is updated to the latest version. Reduce animations by going to Developer Options. Enable via tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. Then search for Developer Options. Then find and set animation duration scales to 0.5 or off. Finally, if it's still slow, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings, System, Reset Options, erase all data. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.